Welcome to Resolve the Bet. What you're going to expect from my channel is that I will be taking different strategies that I'm finding throughout the internet, YouTube, or even strategies that I've made up myself, and I will show you what those strategies are. We'll probably roll out one instance of that, maybe two. Then we're going to put those into the Win Craps simulator, and we can roll as many sessions as we want. And what that allows is, and how this is different than other YouTube channels, is that other YouTube channels usually do about 10 rolls or 10 sessions. They usually go by shooters. Oh, I have enough money for 10 shooters. So let's roll this out for 10 shooters and see how it works. And they always look so great. But when I'd always take these to the casino, I'd have mixed results. Sometimes I would do awesome, and sometimes I would do terrible. And I didn't like that. I wanted to know, how many sessions can I really get away with this, doing this strategy? And that's what my channel is going to show you. We can take Win Craps. We can run 10 sessions. We can run 100 sessions. We can run 1,000 sessions. And then followed by a lifetime, meaning if you went to the casino every week of your life from age 21 to 80, how well this strategy or system would work. Now, I know that Win Craps is digital. It's not organic. We're not actually rolling the dice. And I will admit that a random digital simulation is probably no better than the person who created the random digital simulation for the file, but quite honestly, it's the best we got. So what I'm going to do is that I will show you a system or a strategy, usually presented by another YouTuber or something I found on the internet, or maybe a strategy that I have come up with myself. And I'll even invite you to give me your strategies if you would like them analyzed. And we will see how they roll out, how they work. The key point to this, though, is to make sure that you're always using bankroll management. And there are many different ways of doing bankroll management. You can look it up yourself. It actually took me using Win Craps to develop my bankroll management. I always start out with a $600 bankroll. It's what I can afford right now. Other YouTube channels start at $1,000, $2,000, $3,000. I don't have that kind of money, but I could probably put up $600. Now, other bankroll management would be to maybe stop at 10 shooters and assess. Or you go through your bankroll and whatever winnings you have left over, then your session's over and you're done for the day. I don't like to do that. I like to follow what I actually have learned some from on 555 Craps, which is no longer a YouTube channel, unfortunately. But he has a stop loss and a stop gain. And his stop gain is 20% of his bankroll. Now, I never found out what his stop loss was. I didn't find that out, but my stop loss would be 33% of my bankroll, meaning if I had a $600 bankroll to start with, if I get down to $200, I'm done. And that's how we're going to set up the Win Craps system as well. If we get down to $200, the session is over. If we make $120, that's 20%, the session is over. We will take that $120 win and call it a good day and go home. Now for me, my drive to the casino is about 45 minutes. And I'll take $120. That's $30 in gas, $120 win. That ends up being about $90 profit. If I do that once a week or once a month, I'm pretty happy. Another way we could do that, though, because sometimes a session is only going to run for about 15 minutes, or maybe it'll run for 30 minutes. Maybe it'll run for an hour. Depends on how the strategy is. You might want to play multiple sessions while you're at the casino. So let's say we roll out a strategy. We win our 20%, $120. We put that $120 in our pocket or in a chip rack off to the side. And we play another session, starting over as if we just got to the casino. And you might be able to run 4, 5, or 6 sessions before you leave. You just got to keep in mind, though, if you don't have the $600 to start a new session or the bankroll that you're going to use, then you're done. It's time to go home. And everybody knows that the more time you spend at the casino, the more likely it is you're going to lose all your money. The casino is designed that way. It's designed to give you a chance, and you should take that chance as fast as you possibly can and get the hell out with the money that you have. So, is any chance better than no chance at all? That's what the casino is giving you. But in the end, that's for you to decide. Welcome to Resolve the Bet.